Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Today's tutorial is on this deep fall makeup look. I love this look. It's so bold and in your face, but yet so simplistic. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step and show you exactly how I created it. A huge thank you to Sigma for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. I'm gonna be showing you their new liquid lipsticks that they just came out with. And I also use a bunch of their brushes in this video as per usual. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so for primer today, I'm going to be using the Elysian Continuum Finishing Treatment. I have used this before and I really liked it and I just kind of like forgot about it. It's kind of like a skincare product and a face primer all in one. Oh, I always forget that the smell is incredible. And then I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Foundation. I keep it in the box because it's just so pretty, but the bottle itself is also beautiful. I just think it's going to live in this box because I love it so much. I have this shade Light Medium 9 and it matches me pretty perfectly. And I've seen so many people use this with their hands. So I'm going to try that today. I've seen Desi Perkins do it and I've seen Sandra Deluxe do it. She does a lot of stuff with her hands in general though. So I'm just going to try it though and see how it goes. I'm excited. So I'm just going to rub it in. Oh yeah. This is a very beautiful foundation. I do feel like I get really oily with it, but I do get oily with like pretty much every foundation. Ooh, I actually really like using that with my fingers. I'm gonna go with my same old concealer. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. I'm in the shade 30, I believe. No, wait, that's 21. That's the wrong shade. All right, I just grabbed shade 30. I'm gonna bring this under the eyes. And over here, I have like a random breakout. Does anybody else break out near their ears? Maybe I'm just like not that good at getting the makeup off over there, but I always break out like right by my ear. Then I'm gonna be using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter Brush, the F03. This is one of my favorite brushes for blending in my concealer. I do have a discount code with Sigma. It is Brianna Sigma for 10% off. I will link that down below along with every single product and brush that I use in this video. Their brushes are cruelty free and they have a 2-year warranty on them. I use them pretty much, I think, in every single video. So gonna get over the lids. Do you guys use a separate primer for your eyeshadow? I tried just using concealer the other day and it was just a hot mess express. It looked so bad because my eyeshadow just started creasing, but I know a lot of people that can just use concealer, so let me know what you do. Now I'm gonna grab the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. This is in the shade Almond. It is a little bit warm for me for a contour color, so I kind of contour and bronze with this at the same time. And just stipple this onto the skin. I pretty much go where I would contour and then I just kind of blend it out around the area so it's in a more broad area. Get up here on the sides of my forehead. And I'm also gonna bring this on the nose. I always would contour my nose like this before I learned how to do it with powder. And it was actually a lot easier to just do it with a cream and my finger. So go in and just dot it in. It definitely helps if you are warm in temperature. When they're warm, it melts the products into the skin from like the warmth of your hands. All right, so now I'm gonna set my face with powder. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and my F35 brush from Sigma. Swirl this here in the cap and just get right here on, I guess what part, is that your cheek technically? Like your under eye cheek area, side of the nose. This is where I get super oily. Even though I did the cream bronzer contour type of thing, I still want to powder, contour, and bronze. You don't have to do both. You could do either one, whatever's easier for you. I do feel like creams look more natural on the skin, but I like to be a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna be using the Hourglass Diffuse Bronze Light bronzer. It gives a very natural finish to the skin, almost like a glow from within, but yet bronzing at the same time. I'm gonna bring this here and then kind of pat throughout and get the neck really good. I'm gonna contour with the same contour product that I like always use and love. It's the S116 powder from Makeup Forever. And I'm gonna use my Sigma F05 contour brush. Focus it mainly towards the back. And now I'm gonna go in with my highlighter before I go in with blush, just because I like the way that it peeks out from behind my blush. I think it just looks more natural. I'm gonna be using the, I think this is still available, the Fuego highlight from Dose of Colors. It's part of the Desi X Katie collection. It's a beautiful, beautiful golden highlight, and it has a, I just love their packaging. I'm gonna use my other F35 highlighter brush and put this on the cheekbones. Brow. And then I'm just gonna use my finger here and get it right on the tip of the nose and down the bridge. Also do that to the Cupid's bow. For blush, I'm gonna use the NARS Dolce Vita blush. I just used this recently in a tutorial and I forgot how much I love this blush. So I'm gonna use it again today, and I'm using the is that the F40? F40 from Sigma. Just a really beautiful, kind of like a rosy color, but a deep rose. Like, it's just perfect for this time of year. So I'm gonna play with some products. So I've been using the Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal. I love this, and I just purchased a new one. But I also want to try the Dip Brow again from Anastasia. I love when other people use this, and I want to like use it more because I like the way that it can look, but I just feel like I can't nail it. But I'm gonna try. Brows are finally done. I'm really happy with the way that they turned out. I think they look really natural. That just took me like forever. I'm now gonna go into the Anastasia eye primer. I've really been liking this. The only thing I don't like is that it kind of makes my eye look really whited out. So yeah, I love how lightweight it is though. It's very, very thin. Okay, I'm just setting them with powder. All right, so now for eyeshadow, I'm only gonna be using 2 eyeshadows. This is the Caramel Coffee palette from Makeup Geek. You can get this at Target. A lot of my favorite Makeup Geek eyeshadows are actually like discontinued, but you can still find them in these palettes at Target. So I'm first gonna go into Creme Brulee, which is this shade here, and I'm gonna take it on my E40 brush from Sigma, and I'm just gonna bring this into my crease. Also gonna bring that underneath my eye. And then I'm gonna switch over to Wild West with my E27 brush from Sigma. Bring this here in the outer corner and outer crease area. Bringing that underneath. And then I'm gonna go in and do a wing. I'm gonna use the Inglot Gel Liner number 77 and create a cat eye. You could totally skip this step, but to me, I feel like it's just such a classic glam look when you do wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's just one of those days where I'm struggling with my eyeliner. My eyes are like really sensitive right now. They're like watering. Okay, I'm now gonna go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Getting the top and the bottom lashes. Now to balance out that really thick liner, I'm gonna go in with a very bold false lash. These are the Goddess lashes from Lily Lashes. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to be showing you the new Sigma liquid lipsticks. They're a long-wearing, hydrating formula. It gives a satin matte finish, so it's not gonna be like a fully matte, drying, sticky sort of formula. These are vegan and cruelty-free, and I'm gonna show you all of the shades right now. I'm gonna start with the first one, which is Behold. It has a doe foot applicator. These you actually don't need a lip liner with because they're not going to feather. It's like a nice Barbie pink color on my skin tone. And then this one is New Mod. I really love this color. I think it looks really good. I think anything honestly will look good with this makeup look just because it's so simplistic, but it looks like it would be a good like just like a deeper nude for fall for my skin tone. We'll definitely be seeing this one again. Then we have Awaken. This is another more pinky shade. It's very pretty. It was almost like the first one and the second one that I just used mixed together is kind of like the vibe of this one. So this one is Awaken. Then we have Fable. I really love this color. I love this whole vibe together. I think it's really, really beautiful. It's like a, I don't know, just a good, deeper, I don't want to say nude because it's not nude at all, but like a, I don't know how to explain this color, like a deeper rose, and it'd be perfect for fall. Second to last, we have Venom. This is definitely more of a wine red. It reminds me of Christmas time. I will definitely be wearing this closer to then. I think it's beautiful. It's a bold statement color and it has that blue undertone. So it's one of those lip colors that's gonna make your teeth look really, really white. Okay, and then lastly, I have Belladonna. This is the one that I think I'm gonna be sticking with for this look. This also has a blue undertone, and this is what I'm gonna keep for this look. I love it. It's so vampy. It's so fall appropriate. One thing too I want to point out about the liquid lipsticks is that you can layer them and they're not going to go on patchy at all. I went in with like 3 different layers just because I kept messing up. A lot of times with liquid lipsticks, you can't do that because it ends up drying funky. I don't know why that is, but these don't do that. And now if you ever mess up, you can go in with a brush and clean it up. This here's the L06 detailed lip brush from Sigma. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of concealer, not much, and you can go and just go right at that line and just kind of perfect the line. So like right here, I went a little too low. That just cleans it up. Even if you didn't go out of the lines or anything, you can put your concealer there and it will make the lip pop even more and bring more attention to it. So this is the final look up close and personal. I love it. It's so vampy, yet so simple. I think simple looks a lot of the time can just pack a punch. If you just take away the lip, it's just liner and lashes. It's super easy, super quick, makes it look like you really, really tried. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this look in action and seeing how I created it today. A huge thank you to Sigma for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. Again, I will link every single product that I used down below in the description box. Don't forget about that Sigma discount code that I have. I will link that down below as well. Let me know your other fall makeup tutorial requests. I'm just like so in the fall mood right now, and I've got so many makeup look ideas that I'm just gonna start pumping them out because it feels so good to feel creative again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.